test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. This test is normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday, between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. In the event severe weather is expected, or already occurring on Wednesday, the test is then postponed until the first available non-severe weather day. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We now return to normal programming.